Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel.
Right guys, I got myself a set of mirrors on eBay for £15 and I'm going to show you how to fit them to the Duke 390 because quite frankly I hated the ones that were on the bike originally because they were massive and just too big basically for me. They made the look of the bike ugly in my eyes. So yeah, let's get to it. Remove the weights on the side with just an Allen key. Oops. So we'll remove these. I have thought about hanging them underneath the bike, the mirrors, because they are bar end ones, but in my experience my arm gets in the way when I'm trying to ride and see the mirror. Basically just pop the mirror inlet and you can use the original bar and weights on the bike. Screw that in. That's on there now. Get your Allen key, just tighten it up so it's fairly tight. Alright, spin it around to where you want it and tighten it right back up. Obviously not too tight because you don't want to damage the thread. On the other side you get a set of these with the mirrors. You're going to need that. You're also going to need a washer. And I'll show you why now. I'll just pop that down there. Same on this side. Just undo this. Just undo this one on the other side, pop that out, keep that somewhere safe. And what you're going to need is mirror, plates. Right, so what you want to do, get your bar end weight, get the mirror on there, get that little spacer that comes with it, and then, because if you try and pop that on there now, once you tighten it up, that'll all twist with the throttle. So that's why you need the little washer. So we pop that little washer in, it acts as another spacer. And then add all this up, and if you just tighten all this up, see they look pretty cool hanging underneath like that, but when you're riding your arm will be sat in the way. Then just tighten it up, get the bolt right in there. Once you get it in there, just line it up so it's nice and straight on this. Check that, look. And that's not touching now, you've got that little space. And then just tighten it